the milk, powder milk na siya. We have the funnel. We also have the calibrated the glass if in case it allows you to use the calibrated the glass. We have the sterilized knife and also the sterilized spoon, and we also have the feeding bottle na siya. Okay, so those are the common materials that you need for preparing the milk na siya. The third one is make sure to clean and disinfect the surface or the area na siya. Next one is
Follow naman ang
okay. So follow the manufacturer's instructions or standard formulas. So during the assessment, most of the assessors will write something on the board na siya, and that will be the ratio that you will be preparing. It's either 2:1 or 3:1 na siya. When we say 2 or 3:1 na siya, we're talking about 2 ounce or 3 ounce na siya. Okay? So 2 ounce is equivalent to 60 ml. Sorry, 60 ml. 3 ounce is 90 ml because 1 ounce is equivalent to 30 ml na siya. Okay? However, during the assessment, okay, dili gyud mo magtimpla og actual na gatas gina siya. You just have to assume na nag-prepare mo og gatas na siya. During sa ato pagklase before, actual maganda na tubig ug milk powder, di ba? I even ask you to bring kana bear brand na milk because mahal man jud kana mga newborn or mga infant na mga powder milk na siya, okay? But during the assessment, you just have to assume na nag-scoop ka maskin walay gatas ug assume na nag-pour ka og tubig na siya, okay? So let's just say we will follow the standards of 2:1 na siya. So 2 ounce or 60 ml and equivalent to 1 scoop na siya, okay? Next one, what's next? Number 4? 4 ba? 5 there. Sige, go.
Measure the amount of water using the calibrated glass.
Okay, so if you have a calibrated glass na siya, then prepare or magtimpla mo gatas ari diri sa calibrated na glass na siya. But if ever gani walay available na calibrated glass na ipakita sa inyong assessor, then use the clear glass or any regular glass na siya. But the question is that where do we measure the water if kanira ato ang available na glass? Magpanapanan lang 60 ml. Unlike kani ginaman measurement. Okay, so ari ta sa feeding bottle measure sa water. So mag-measure ta diri og 2 ounce. I'm going to measure 2 ounce of water. After that one, I'm going okay. So I'm going to measure 2 ounce of water. Storya lang mo. Okay, wag itubig inyo iyabo. Then pour the water into the glass na siya. So after pouring water into the glass, what's next? Ha? Okay. So mag-scoop na din tao, gatas na siya. For scooping and milk, okay, so I'm going to get milk powder na siya. Then using a bread knife or any kitchen types of knives na siya, I'm going to use this one to level. Okay, so once level na siya, then put it in the glass na siya. Okay, what scoop na ba nang gibutang niya? Gets inyo? So after naka-scoop na tao ka ng milk powder, what do we do next?
Mix thoroughly with the cleared sterile.
Okay, so mix thoroughly your milk na siya, okay, by using a 8-figure method na siya, okay? So nikutaw ni storya gid mo, I'm going to mix the powder and milk using the 8-figure method na siya until the milk powder will be dissolved to the water na siya. Gets inyo? So wala gid mo actual na timplahon na niya. Mag-assume na gid mo na natin gatas diha. Okay? Once the milk powder is dissolved, what do we do?
Transfer.
Okay. Then I'm going to transfer the milk to the feeding bottle by using a funnel na siya. Gets inyo? So ato na siyang iyabo, so nakaslat na siya kamay, then assume na yabo kita na hindi kita true. Okay. Then after that one, cover the feeding bottle. Then we are going to cover the feeding bottle. Then after covering the feeding bottle, what do we do? Okay, so we can do the pump to pump na siya, or kana 8 figure method, kana pina number 8 yun yung nana, okay? Or we can do side to side or even circular na siya, okay? And before we feed this one to your baby, what do we do? Check the temperature, okay? By taking the little amount, no, to your wrist na siya or side of your hands na siya or arms na siya, okay? To determine whether the temperature is hot or lukewarm ba na siya. So it should be lukewarm na siya, not hot or not even cold na siya, okay? Now, if the baby will not drink this milk na siya, then we can store this one for about 2 to 3 hours in the left. If the baby will not consume this one, then say what do we call this? We are going to throw away the milk na siya. If there is any leftover, then we have to dispose or throw away the milk na siya. And that's how you prepare the milk na siya. Storya rin mo na, magsigigay mong storya na, digit mo mag-goal sa assessor. Why? Because we know you can perform na siya. If mo kanit gini kahilom na siya, then that's the time sana ka na mo-observe na din sa inyo, no? So kung mag-ilom-ilom ka, magsige na may pangutan na sa inyo, okay? What are you doing? Okay, what's the next procedure? So imbis ikaw mag-concentrate na sa procedure, nag-concentrate na po din kas pangutan na ni assessor siya. So saan mo nakaibog? So mas mayo na talk, and talk. So which means that during the time you will practice. Mura na mo nagsasayaw, sa sige practice of sayaw, makuha rin na during the actual demonstration na din. Gets inyo? Alright, very good. Okay, now let's go to the feeding na siya. Okay, so go to the next page of the child care procedure. Okay, it's